Today I have late start. It was pretty cold in the morning, so I stayed a little bit longer in my bed. And then getting ready for the day, it takes a little bit longer when you live in a car, especially in a small car. Um, so there is a little bit of condensation still on the mirrors. Yeah, the condensation, I don't know why, but it takes longer to get rid of. I made it to Kelowna. At the end of the day, Kelowna is drier. The Okanagan, the whole Okanagan, even Lillooet, where I was in summer, it is drier than the Metro Vancouver area. Also, here in Kelowna, you don't have to pay parking in every single corner of the city. Uh, so I had to make the tough decision of coming back to Kelowna right away. And um, yeah, it is a little bit colder, but it's drier, as I said. And what I am going to do is to stay here, car camp in Kelowna, going to the gym and have a life for the time being in Kelowna. Maybe here and there going somewhere different, but yes, my life now is going to be this. But yes, so I'm back in Kelowna. Let's see how it goes. Let's make coffee and chat a little bit. I am going to remove the bin that has everything related to coffee. Yeah, because now I'm more organized than before. And before I was organized. My friend Sarah told me I never saw a car where someone lives in that is so clean, organized, and smells so good. I was proud of that, alhamdulillah. And before that, I should actually dry the bench so it doesn't mess up with my cleanliness in my car. This is my cutlery. Just what I need. Right there. This is my cutlery bin. Everything in one place now. I don't have it in bags anymore as I used to have it, so yes. It's the first time I'm going to use the jet boil. So we'll see how it goes. Hello. Okay. This goes out. This goes on. Here. I'm not handy. Oh. This year, I suffered 3 different losses in my life. And hello. Put it here. Hold it with my left hand and do it right this. Oh, perfect. This is working. And this is actually how it should be handled. It has here and here 2 handles. And now where is the ignition? Okay, I want to do this where you can see it. And
hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Good. I'm making some coffee.
Oh, good. Is that what you're doing?
Yes.
Just for yourself?
Yeah.
Good for you. Good for you.
Thank you. Here is my first time turning this thing on. So let's see how it goes. Oh, it did turn on. I can't believe it. And it's supposed to be very quick to heat up the water. Hmm, I like that. Why moving full time in my car? The answer is easy, even though the action is not. Um, I'm a I'm a woman of being at home, being at home, working, being independent. But I am someone that likes being at home, taking care of the home, and yeah, uh, I'm not a person that likes going parties. I think that um, I am quiet. I do enjoy going to a restaurant or a cafe with friends, but not all the time. And yes, so the decision was not easy to be made, and I am grateful that I have a Elantra, and Elantra fits everything I need to live. I have a full kitchen, I have a full closet, I have everything extra that I may need. I even have a crate with miscellaneous things that I'm carrying with me. But I have a bed, so I have a bedroom. I have everything. I have a fridge, so I do have the full kitchen. And but I am, of course, not used to being outside my home. And so the reasons are two main reasons. And those two main reasons are how throughout the years salaries are going lower and lower and lower, and rent is going higher and higher and higher. Not only rent, all the other expenses, all the additional expenses, food, um, personal needs. Like women, we have more expenses than men monthly. And clothing, shoes, everything. It's about that. It's about how things are so much more difficult nowadays. Um, Everything is more expensive. Real estate, it's hitting higher than the roof, but nothing is being done so far. And salaries are going lower and lower and lower. So, with that said, I had to make the difficult decision of taking the difficult step of moving in my car. And I don't know for how long it's going to be. I have no idea. I've been going through a lot of sadness, a lot of sadness too, that I've been dealing with. And just because the decisions sometimes you have to make, the hardest decisions are are not the easiest ones, of course, and involves um, some sort of emotions, and that's it. And it makes me sad the fact that I have to leave the kind of life that I worked for so long. I have to leave that life behind and start a totally new one. Now, don't get me wrong, car camping is beautiful. Um, you are in better contact with nature and with people. And every day you force yourself to go out and do something. It keeps you fit because the only shower you have is in the gym, and that is what I'm aiming for, to do my workout as well, because if I'm paying for a gym, I might as well use it and not only the shower, because otherwise it would be a waste of money and waste of health. So I'm going through a lot of emotions right now, and most of the times the reason why I pick up the camera and start vlogging is because I don't want to keep crying about it. And again, don't get me wrong, because I am grateful for everything I have. I am grateful that I still have an income. I'm grateful that my family back in Uruguay is doing great. Um, I'm grateful that I have a Elantra, as I said, and I have everything I need to survive, to live. And I am really grateful for everything. And I know that this is sadness and going through these changes um, will be only for a certain period of time, whatever period of time it takes me to heal the wounds and to get used to the new life I chose. But in the meantime, I can't promise I'm going to be feeling 100% anytime soon. I'm working on that. Those are the reasons why I started a new life. And one thing that I want to make sure everyone knows is that my last video that I posted, I was overwhelmed by the amount of support from all of you. So overwhelmed that I didn't know even how to react. This community, that small community that I have right now, is giving me the strength to keep going and to know, to learn, and to know that everything is going to be all right. So I guess I just wanted to say thank you very much from the bottom of my heart for all the kind words and support, and for being here for me. You have no idea how much it means to me, especially in these circumstances right now. So thank you. Now I'm going to make a sandwich. Okay, it's the first time I'm going to make this sandwich with sourdough bread, but sourdough bread is delicious either way. And there are two different sourdough breads in Costco, at least here in Kelowna. And this one, people is very curious of me being here filming and having coffee, making coffee and having coffee. So this is the sourdough bread that I like better. Still not the best compared to sourdough bread from a real bakery, but it is really good. Now, on one of the slices of bread, we're going to have honey.
Sort of like
And on the other slice, that I didn't bring a knife, but I still have the spoon, it's going to be delicious almond butter. And we are going to put it on the bread. Now, put them together. And I'm going to sit down to enjoy my coffee with my sandwich. Mm. This is so good. Mm. So you have to be careful with the sandwich because it is a little bit more calorific than other sandwiches that you have for breakfast. So you have to work out if you have this sandwich in the morning, which means that I will have to go to the gym today and go for a run. So, so good. And with this sourdough bread, so good. I'm going to finish my sandwich. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. A lot. Salam alaikum.